The Sabah K-Haram Express train 103 up is a daily passenger service operated by Pakistan Railways between Lahore and Rawalpindi. It departs from Lahore Junction at 16:30 and arrives in Rawalpindi at 21:35, covering a distance of approximately 290 kilometers in about 5 hours and 5 minutes. Station arrival departure: Lahore JN 16:30, Tuera Nawa 17:28 17:30, Wazir A Bag JN 17:58 8 o'clock, Durat 18:28 18:30, Lalam Yusuf JN 18:53 18:55, Jilam 19:27 19:29, Chaklawa 21:20 21:22, Rawalpindi 21:35. Asterisk note: the above times are approximate and subject to change. Ticket fare 2025. Class seat fare PK or berth fare PKR. Economy 951,000. AC standard 1400 1400. AC business 1600 1600.
Kamu anda ya, kamu ni anda ya.